Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Music subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first way I'm going to go through is via the website. So go to the Amazon website and log into your account. Access your Amazon Music settings. So hover over the account and list option in the top right hand corner and select membership and subscriptions from the drop down menu. Alternatively, you can go directly to your Amazon Music settings at music.amazon.com. And then in the Amazon Music Unlimited section, look for a link or a button to cancel subscription. And then follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. You might need to confirm the cancellation by selecting a reason for cancellation and confirming your choice. The second way is by using the mobile app on your device. So open up the Amazon Music app, and then ensure you are logged in. Tap on the settings icon, usually a gear icon in the app. Navigate to the Amazon Music Unlimited section. Follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. And now for iOS, App Store, or Android, Google Play subscriptions. So for iOS, open up settings. Open up the settings app on your device. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Select subscriptions. Find and select the Amazon Music Unlimited subscription, and then tap cancel subscription and confirm. And now for Android device users, what you want to do is head over to your Play Store, and then from here you'll be brought to your home, and then click on your profile top right hand corner, click onto payments and subscriptions, click on subscriptions, and it will be located here. So go ahead and click onto it and cancel subscription. And lastly here, if you encounter any issues, you can reach out to the Amazon customer support for assistance. You can contact them via amazon.com, yada, yada, yada here. And then be sure also to cancel before your next billing date to avoid being charged for the next period.